Hey guys, welcome to Ranjit and his Manpin channel. If you have still not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. So today I'm going to show you the toys which I have recently purchased for Mike. So there is a new pet supply store which they have recently opened near my home. So I just wanted to give a visit, and there were some couple of things which really attracted me, so I wanted to purchase them for Mike. So these are all the things which I wanted to buy. Since Mike is around 5 months, I wanted to try neck collar, and I purchased a rope for him so that we can go for early morning walks and evening walks. So these were the things which I bought for Mike. Let me walk you through what I have purchased. So this one is called Tug of War, and the other one is also pretty same. It is also another variant of Tug of War. You have a ball in it, and this one I always wanted to try for my puppy. I'm very much happy to see something which is available for Mike, because Mike is very small, so you don't easily tend to get anything for his size. And this one is a rope which I bought. So overall, the bill was around 580, and they gave me some pretty good discount, and I paid around 434 rupees. I'm really happy. They gave me very good deal. So you can see Mike is sniffing and exploring the stuffs which I bought for him. I just wanted him to have plenty stuffs so that he would be occupied so much. uh, Now you can see me and Mike playing tug of war. I have never seen Mike with such energy. While playing during tug of war, I was able to sense it, because he was giving his full power to snatch the rope from my hand. Here in Chennai, the temperatures are shooting so high. We as a human itself are not able to bear that temperature. It's a very small creature. So, though our hall is air conditioned, but we also prefer to give him air cooler so that he could, able to sustain the high temperature during the afternoon. Usually, my favorite spot is this place, I would say. If you find anything missing in your home, you can search in between those sofas. You can find those particular material available over there, very safe. We just put him some cloth over there so that Mike would rest there like a king, and he would be watching our entrance. Now he is satisfied with the toys, so he has taken everything to his favorite spot, and he loves keeping there and admiring it for a while. So you can see in this video. So I tried the neck collar and I tied him up. First, it was something very strange for him, but slowly he forgot that he's being tied, and I made sure that the cage is always open, because Mike is potty trained well. So whenever he wants to pee, he just goes inside his cage, pees, and come down on the floor. He never pees on the floor. So we have started giving some basics training for Mike. The first basic thing was the potty training, which is very, very, very essential for all puppies, because if they are clean, obviously no disease would attack them. So I make sure that Mike is very clean. So whenever he pees, I just clean those areas. Since we always have air conditioned on, I don't want that urine smell to be revolving around the hall. So I change the paper pretty frequently and apply some good baby powder on his pea tray so that it arrests the foul smell. So it's just a small tip for all the puppy owner who is having inside their bedroom or hall. You can use any baby powder of your choice because nowadays you get plenty in the market. So you can see here in this clip, Mike does this frequently. If he likes the toy or he just lays down, keep it beside him and tries to go for a quick nap. But since I'm like shooting, he's pretty awake. So you can see we have kept air cooler beside him. So let me try to grab his toys. Nowadays, Mike is, he's like woofing around when I touch his stuffs. He don't want his stuffs to be touched. He just monitors very carefully. So you can see, like I tried to snatch his stuffs. He's just getting up and he wants to come and get his play toys with him. Normally Mike's food would be served in his cage, but due to my mom's over affection and over love and care, everything is served wherever he goes. So he is very spoiled because of my mom. My mom keeps feeding him like every 2 hours. Miniature pinchers are not supposed to be fed like that. So even Mike, what does he do? So whenever he needs anything, he directly goes and approaches to my mom, and my mom, seeing his eyes, he she just starts pouring him with Cerelac or any food, whatever it is like available at that moment. I just wanted to share this video with you guys. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you really liked it. These days I was not available due to my work. So I once again thank you for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe. If you have still not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you would receive our notification when we upload new videos. Until then, it's bye from Ranjit and this.